Have you ever wondered how those little orange gummies can be both sour and sweet in just one bite? Let's dive into the science behind Sour Patch Kids. Sour Patch Kids are a unique soft gummy candy with layers of flavors. They start as sour due to tartaric and citric acids, which give that initial burst of tartness. The outer coating is made with invert sugar. This special type of sugar not only helps the candy maintain its texture, but also delivers that sweet flavor once you get past the sour layer. Tartaric acid, found in grapes and commonly used in winemaking, adds a sharp but pleasant acidity that defines the initial taste. Citric acid from citrus fruits enhances this sourness. The invert sugar coating dissolves quickly in your mouth, revealing the sweet, gummy core. This transition is what makes Sour Patch Kids so popular among candy lovers. Innovations like limited edition flavors and products, such as cookies with Sour Patch Kids inside, show the brand's commitment to keeping fans engaged with creative flavor experiences. From sour to sweet in seconds, Sour Patch Kids are more than just a candy. They're a sensory journey that combines chemistry and taste in an unforgettable way. So there you have it, the science behind why Sour Patch Kids are first sour, then sweet. Which part of the candy experience do you enjoy most? Let us know in the comments.